What's up guys, in this video I'm going to solve a question which is 2 to the x plus 2 to the minus x equal to 5. What is the value of x? In order to solve the question, first of all I'm going to simplify the question a little bit. So I'm gonna write 2 to the x plus, instead of 2 to the minus x, I'm going to write 1 over 2 to the x equal to 5. Now I want to substitute. So now I want to substitute y with 2 to the x. Substitute y with 2 to the x. What do I mean by this? It means instead of 2 to the x, write y. So let's go, and instead of this 2 term, I'm gonna write y. Instead of 2 to the x, I'm gonna write y, and also instead of this one, also I'm gonna write y. Let's go and do it. So y plus 1 over y is equal to 5. Now I'm going to multiply y in both sides of the equation in order to eliminate this y from denominator. So I'm gonna multiply y to both sides of the equation. So I would have y squared plus, if I multiply y with this y, this 2 will eliminate. So I would have 1 is equal to 5 times y is 5y. Now I'm going to move 5y to the right of the equation. So I would have y squared plus minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. So now I have a quadratic equation here. In order to solve the quadratic equation, I'm going to use this formula, which is y is equal to negative b positive negative b squared minus 4ac over 2a. As you know that the coefficient of y squared is 1, and this is our a, and the coefficient of y is our b, which is 5, and the constant that we have here, it is c. So let's go and plug in these numbers to our formula. So let's go and do it. I'm gonna plug in y is equal to negative b. We have negative, and b is minus 5. Positive negative b squared, which is minus 5 squared minus 4ac is 1, and c is 1 as well. And over 2a. 2a is 1 as well. So y is equal to, let's simplify a little bit, minus times minus is negative times negative is positive 5 plus minus, and minus 5 squared is 25, positive 25, minus 4 times 1 is minus 4 over 2a, which is 2 times 1 is 2. So let's go and simplify a little bit. Y is equal to 5 positive negative 25 minus 4 is 21 over 2. So in the question we have what is the value of x, and here we substitute 2 to the x with y. Again, now we are going to write, instead of y, we're going to write 2 to the x. Let's go and substitute it back. So I'm gonna write, instead of y, 2 to the x. It means now I have 2 to the x is equal to 5 positive negative 21 over 2. So in order to find the value of x, I'm going to take log or logarithm from the right side of the equation. From this side, I'm going to take log. Let's go and see. So I'm going to take log of 5 positive negative square root of 21 over 2 and this 2 that we have, it goes to the base of the logarithm. So here I'm gonna write 2 as a base and x is equal to log of 5 positive negative square root of 21 over 2 to the base 2. So this log has 2 roots. First root x1, which is the positive one. First one is the positive one and the next one is the negative one. It means I have x1, which is log of 5 positive square root of 21 over 2, and the second one, which is x2, is log of 5 negative square root of 21 over 2 and base of this logarithm is 2. This is our final answer to this question. See you in the next lesson.